Have you ever been afraid for your life? My name is Cami Oetman, and I understand what it feels like to be deathly afraid. Fear leads us to ask the big questions. Questions like, why is there so much pain in the world? And what is life really about? There are relevant answers that can give you both peace and hope. I personally invite you to join me as we search the only source that reveals the true answers to life's biggest questions. Unlocking Bible Prophecies.
The rise of an international pandemic,
About the coronavirus.
polarizing global politics,
Mismanagement and corruption.
increasingly destructive natural disasters.
The bushfires in Australia are a warning of what may be to come around the world.
What does it all mean? What does the future hold? Join international speaker Cami Oetman on a journey for answers in Unlocking Bible Prophecies. In her travels around the world, she's come face to face with real-life struggles, but in the midst of them, she's found miracles of hope. Join Cami Oetman for Unlocking Bible Prophecies as she shares how Bible prophecy is being fulfilled faster than ever before.
Premiering on Sowers and Light Media Channel from the 24th of April to 7th of May, 2026. Don't you forget to subscribe to the channel. And this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world. Then the end shall come.